नमस्कार, यू आर लिस्निंग टू योर वेरी ओन रेडियो स्टेशन 88.4 FM Panchul Pulse Hill से दिल तक, where Uttarakhand's stories come alive. Today we celebrate and revisit the life of one of Kumaon's greatest sons, Shri Lakshman Singh Jangpangi, the legendary Indian trade agent in Tibet, Padma Shri awardee and a true bridge between India and Tibet. Joining me is Captain Arunjay Kumar from Indian Army. Together, we will explore the journey of Lakshman Singh Jangpangi from the valleys of Johar to the political crossroads of Tibet. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you for having me here.
Sir, first of all, I would like you to tell our listeners about Shri Lakshman Singh Jangpangi, his early life, and his connect with our region.
Of course, born in 1905 in Johar Valley, Pithoragarh, Shri Jangpangi grew up in a family respected for public service. His father, Rai Sahib Sohan Singh, was a notable official, and his family maintained strong ties with both India and Tibet for generations. He spent his childhood immersed in Himalayan trading culture, with his early schooling from Almora, and further completed his studies at Allahabad University, which laid a strong foundation for his future career.
So now I would like to know, how did he enter the world of diplomacy as a trade agent, and what did he accomplish?
Jangpangi ji joined the British trade agency at Gartok, Tibet in 1930, and later, post-independence, became the Indian trade agent at Yatung in 1946. His tenure coincided with one of the most turbulent period in Himalayan history. The 1950s saw the dramatic changes brought about by China's entry into Tibet, fundamentally altering the region's balance of power. Amidst these upheavals, Jangpangi worked in extraordinarily difficult conditions. He endured harsh climates, remoteness, and frequent political uncertainty to ensure uninterrupted trade, safeguard India's interests, and provide support to Indian communities and pilgrims in the region. One memorable example of his work was his annual trek to reach places like Gartok, Taklakot, ensuring uninterrupted trades for locals despite blizzards and diplomatic obstacles. He was known for his cautious approach when interacting with Chinese officials, always weighing decisions carefully.
Jangpangi ji is Kumaon's first Padma Shri. Can you please share more information about that?
Yes, many of our viewers might not know this, but in recognition of his outstanding service in negotiating the complexities of Indo-Tibetan trade and diplomacy, Jangpangi was awarded the Padma Shri in 1959, becoming the first person from Kumaon to be so honored. Many recall how, in the face of rising tensions and the construction of roads through strategic areas such as, he provided prescient warnings and balanced the interests of several stakeholders with tact and foresight. Letters and testimonials from his contemporaries highlight his selfless dedication, reliability, and the country's gratitude for his years of service under the most trying conditions.
So, sir, after knowing about his work and his story, what inspiration can Uttarakhand's young listeners draw from his legacy?
Jangpangi ji's story is about courage and service above self. He mastered harsh frontiers, upheld honesty, and resolved incidents like supporting Indian citizens during detentions by authorities in Tibet. Through tact and negotiation, his life teaches youth to persist, value heritage, and serve with integrity, no matter the odds. His deep bond to his homeland and his diplomatic success show how extraordinary individuals from even the remotest places can impact a nation's history.
Okay, so sir, we are hearing fresh and positive news with the India-China trade talks. So keeping that in mind, what lessons can we apply from Jangpangi ji's legacy?
India and China are slowly rebuilding bridges. Both countries have resumed diplomatic talks, reopened border trade passes like Lipu Lake and Nathula, and are facilitating greater economic and people-to-people contact. High-level meetings, such as the recent Modi-Xi summit in Tianjin, have shifted the narrative towards cooperation. Yet, there is underlying caution, given strategic competition and global trade shifts. Jangpangi's balanced engagement with the Chinese officials, never rushing decisions, always weighing cultural and political ramifications, show the power of patient diplomacy. Jangpangi ji put local interests first and handled sensitive border issues with dialogue and prudence, an approach essential for today's policymakers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much on behalf of Panchul Pulse team and all our listeners for sharing these inspiring stories and examples. Shri Lakshman Singh Jangpangi showed that Uttarakhand's pulse beats with extraordinary grit and compassion. This is Panchul Pulse, urging all listeners to honor such heroes, let their stories inspire future generations, and keep the spirit of the hills alive. Dhanyavad, Jai Hind.